What's up, business buddies? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is invitation plus message else email, meaning that you will send an invitation and if accepted, send message else send email. And these are the actions that will be applied. You can choose the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. And then a plan will show up. We made it easier for you to understand more this template and you can follow the steps in a simple way. You're gonna choose a list of your prospects. You can either add all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Next, an invitation will be sent. Next is the conditional statement. If your prospects accept your invitation within 15 days, you can of course specify the delay for this action to move to the next branch depending on your option. If your prospects accept your invitation within 15 days, you're gonna select then the delay between the moment your prospects accept your invitation and your first message. Type in your first message and then we're gonna move to the condition if your prospect doesn't accept your invitation within 15 days. Then we're gonna send him an email instead. Select your email accounts, type in your email subject and your message body. And here you go, your campaign is created.